Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming your carrier supports dual SIM on iPhone 15. This matters because one line will be eSIM. Next, make sure you're signed into your Apple ID and on Wi-Fi so activation completes. Open the SIM tray and insert the physical nano SIM where required, then close it. Once done, go to Settings, tap Cellular, and choose Add eSIM. You do this now so the phone can register the second line, while the first is already active. You'll now install and activate the eSIM profile, scan the carrier QR code, or follow the carrier app prompts because activation methods differ. Once the eSIM appears, label each plan, primary and secondary, so you can choose quickly during calls. Make sure to set the default line for voice and the cellular plan for mobile data. This avoids accidental charges. Then confirm iMessage and FaceTime use the correct number, because these services bind to a chosen line for messaging continuity. You finish by refining settings. Enable or disable dual SIM cellular data switching and set roaming options per plan. This controls which line carries data and prevents unexpected roaming fees. Once configured, restart the iPhone if activation stalls, and then rescan the eSIM QR or contact your carrier. This resolves most provisioning issues. Finally, verify both lines show signal and place a test call or text between them, so you confirm full functionality before relying on both numbers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.